Hi, and thank you for watching our video on using the Equity tab in DealStats, the leading source for complete company transaction data. The Equity tab provides a general template that you can use to work to an equity value for your subject company. The left column provides a template when using asset sale transactions based on what typically transfers in an asset sale. The right column provides a template when using stock sale transactions based on what typically transfers in a stock sale. These templates are based on what assets and liabilities commonly transfer from the seller to the buyer and may not be representative of all asset and stock sales in the DealStats database. The values that you computed when using the Multiples tab will be transferred into the Equity tab. To learn more about using the Multiples tab, please see our video tutorial on using the Multiples tab. First, select a value for your subject company. Next, depending on whether you are using asset sale transactions or stock sale transactions, you can populate the asset and liability fields using the information from your subject company to arrive at an equity value. If you are valuing an interest less than 100%, you can select the size of the interest you are valuing from the corresponding drop-down menu. After selection is made, your pro rata equity value will be calculated. If you wish to apply a discount for lack of control, you can do so by using the corresponding drop-down menu, and a marketable minority value will be calculated. If you wish to apply a discount for lack of marketability, you can do so by using the corresponding drop-down menu, and a non-marketable minority value will be calculated. At the very bottom of the template, you have the ability to select your final value. Any of your work from the Equity tab can be downloaded using the Download tab. For more information on downloading your work, please see our video tutorial on using the Download tab. This concludes our session on using the Equity tab in DealStats.